Contex HD scanners. Installation. This video shows the basic low stand in the HD Ultra X42 scanner. But the same process is used for all model HD Ultra X scanners. Each stand comes with instructions to assist with assembling the stand. Cut off the packing straps. Remove the corner protectors. And open the box. Remove all the contents from the box. Accessories pack includes 10 T25x6 screws, 4 T25x20 screws, 1 T25 Torx right-angled wrench, 2 leg screw covers. To assemble the stand legs, fit the stand leg into the stand base. Slide the locating tags into the slots, and push back. Position the leg screw cover. Fit the T25x6 screw. Tighten using the provided right-angled wrench. Do this for both legs. To assemble the cross beam between the two stand legs, make sure the holes in the cross beam are on the same side as the leg holes, and position it so the tabs are near the top of the beam. Slide the cross beam into the stand leg. Insert the 2 T25 screws, and tighten them. Lift the assembly up, and slide the other end of the cross beam into the other leg. Make sure both legs have the screw cover towards the back of the stand. Fit the 2 T25 screws, and tighten them. With the stand turned so you are facing the front, slide the left-hand mounting bracket into the left-hand stand leg. Fit the 2 T25 screws. Repeat for the right-hand mounting bracket. The mounting brackets have 3 sets of holes that can be used to adjust the height of the scanner. Make sure the same screw holes are used at both ends. Position the paper catch legs, so the short ones are at the front, and the long ones at the back. Press fit the 2 short legs into the bracket in the stand base. Tap down on the legs, should it be necessary. Fit the long paper catch legs into the stand base brackets. Fit the paper catch cross beam, with the cloth paper catch fitted, onto the 4 legs. Cut any strapping, and remove. Open the box and remove all the packing. Remove, and store the calibration sheet. Using 2 people, carefully lift the scanner out. The scanner will either come with an activation sheet, or the distributor or reseller will provide one. Use the number on this license to activate the scanner. Position the scanner into the recesses of the mounting bracket. Fit the 4 T25 screws to secure the scanner to the stand. Connect either the Ethernet or the USB cable to the scanner. Plug in the mains plug. And switch on the scanner. Allow the control panel LEDs to complete their warm-up sequence. When the scanner is first switched on, the installation wizard will start. Follow to the activation button. Click Activate. Click Online. Enter the license key from the certificate provided. The scanner will restart. The wizard will continue to the calibration process. Open Wide System. If necessary, refresh to see the attached scanner. Go to License, Activate, and Manual, Guide, and record the hardware ID. Using a PC browser, go to license.contex.com. Enter the hardware ID and the license key provided. Successful activation will produce a 36-digit code to use in the scanner. Enter this 36-digit code that has just been generated. The green tick will display if the code is acceptable. Click Activate. The scanner will restart if successful. Close the message. Go to Status and calibrate the scanner if asked to do so. Before inserting the calibration sheet, it is necessary to remove both of the magnetic paper guides, if they are fitted, so the sheet can fit into the scanner. Insert the calibration sheet centrally into the scanner with the image face down. Making sure the arrows line up. Open Wide System, and click Calibration. Then Full Calibration. Allow the process to complete. This can take between 11 and 14 minutes to run.